Hip hop, hip hop, you don't stop rocking to the bang bang boogie. Set up, jump the boogie to the bang of the boogie to beat. Now I did my best to notice when he came to class. He said, I'll give you extra credit and a bathroom pass if you complete this task.
And me, Zach, the periodic table, we're gonna try and rhyme the speed. We may look like idiots, but we're thriving on the beat.
But first, let's get down with it. Jibber jibber jabber jabber, let's get down, good friend.
Pay my respects to the noble guesses, helium and neon too.
Got argon, krypton, xenon, and radon.
Let's not forget that all-important halogens with their toxic properties.
Non-metallic group 17 with their hot 7 valence electrons too.
Aspartame, iodine, and bromine too. And there's chlorine.
Nauseous green gas, but don't forget fluorine.
If I want that bathroom pass, will the non-metals be alright with all this fire?
They cannot reflect light. That's alright. They're so brittle it's almost deceiving.
Hydrogen or carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus be flaming.
Take a breath, cause we be needing some oxygen. Was that a rotten egg?
Nasty, smelling sulfur, or maybe just selenium.
Now let's move on to that malleable stuff. Yeah, I'm talking about semi-metals.
Then, usually, they're malleable, just as semiconductors should be. Born more like moron with this here funky dude.
Then there's silicone, germanium, and arsenic, and autonomy too. Let's not forget about tellurium or polonium.
This makes me crazy in the cranium, just like my mama said. This brings us to the end of the non-metals of the periodic table.
Just like spin that churn table. Just as sly as alkali metals.
Puts a premium on lithium and sodium and iridium too. I got this friend named William. Sorta looks like cesium, maybe even francium.
We be splitting like potassium, now we be moving to something more earthy.
Yeah, that's right, alkali earth metals. We be stabilizing on your equilibrium with beryllium.
Strontium with calcium, be a mighty fine elysium. Barium and radium with that magnesium.
Should be in a museum. Scandium be quite scandalous with that yttrium.
Lanthanum is like my mom. Titanium is like zirconium.
Always on that podium. Helium is like half the stuff, never all that good.
Ruthenium is so ruthless like Muhammad Ali, vanadium, and niobium. Also technetium, always getting so technical.
Dubium, kinda like Dubastep. Just kidding, fam. That ain't a word. I'm just messing. Gold, platinum, silver. These be the riches of this world.
Copper, all the brothers trying to take that wonder. Cobalt, kinda like the rock salt that I didn't feel in my sleep.
Chromium, like the chrome on my grandma's grill. Magnesia, kinda like these weak knees.
Desire for the iron that is wired in me. Since I got a nickel, I bought a dill pickle.
The only thing that doesn't get me thrown at other than the kitchen sink is zinc. Beryllium is messing with vanadium.
Rhodium is using the biggest rod, the deadliest hit. Palladium flies into them DMs.
Mercury, my pops drives that. Tellurium always throwing a tantrum.
Tungsten like the tones. Rhenium be messing with my osmium.
Idiom is throwing me into obsidian. Alright, now we're transitioning to the Lithuanians.
Lanthanum can hang with none of whom. Let's rock our cerebellum with some cerium.
Forget about the Presidium, just like the price tag. Neo be spitting toxic like medium.
Prometheans use promethium to spit that fire. Sumerians use Sumerian swords to poison all the haters. Cause they
Europeans use European instead of opium. I put Gatling bullets in my Gatling gun to put them brothers away.
Terbium, that's what Turbine uses on the football field. I displace things like dispersium.
I watch those holograms while eating Hollium. Hollingswood took herbs to get rid of herbium.
I put my tholium on my tholine. I eat iridium when I'm bio.
Lots of Latinium is found in my via. Actinocytes need to hide they radioactive.
When Faye starts acting up, she be looking like actinium.
Thor be hammering on this thorium.
Pro football players make a lot of contact just like protactium. Uranus be looking like uranium.
Neptunium adopted Neptune back when it was discovered. Plutonium destroyed by Pluto as a planet.
Just like Kanye Americum is consumed with itself, just like curiosity killed the cat. Curium kills everybody in the club.
Just like Charles Barkley's golf swing. Berkelium sucks. California is just like California. It's dry.
Einsteinium is insanely complicated like Einstein. Serenium is like wine, fermented.
Mendelium is like Nelson Mandela.
Dead.
Gone. Nobelium would win the Nobel Prize.
And Lawrencium is like Lawrence Taylor. He is very deadly.